First, loop your hank around the swift. Push up from the base of the umbrella to expand the apparatus until your yarn is pulled taut. Then secure the umbrella in place by tightening the knob below it. Swing the yarn guide out from its original position and click it in place behind the raised notch found on the bottom of the ball winder. Place the bobbin on the ball winder by aligning its ridges to the grooves on the base. To secure the bobbin, turn it counterclockwise until it will no longer budge. And that concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.